Hey, it's Lian, and welcome to Styling My Hair Vlog. So I have here 2-in-1 hair iron. Nakasaksak na. Pakita ko lang. May taklob. So, kuhaon ko na kay kasaksak. Down for straightening. Press up for curling. So this side, straightening. Diba? I bought this in TikTok shop 3 years ago and subong ko lang gingamit, liwat. Good quality pa naman. Ang function si Mangyapon, daw bago lang ginbakal. Diba? Subong ko lang gingamit, liwat. Eh, dugay ko ni wala na gamit kay since my hair is rebonded. And now, pwede na. Basta rebonded, ako ang buhok, wala ko gagamit sang hair iron or hair curler, okay? Para hindi mag-damage ako ang buhok. Diba? Straight hair on this side. Wala lang ko kabat sa ginit. Down for curl. I press up for curl. Press up to turn on. Mag blue light, meaning naka-turn on na. Okay na ang hit. 3 years ago, kung naningin bakal, and okay, magyapon ang function, ang init. Bayan ko. Hindi ko yun namin mag-curly, but I will try my best for you. Hindi ko yun namin mag-curl. Okay, try again. Curling. Okay na. Curl and straight. Diba? And that's it for tonight. See you on my next vlog. Bye!